Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger, guys. Okay, we just got it here. This is specifically the 3.6. If you have one of those, we'll be taking it completely apart. V8 coming as well. So now right here, that's the fuse box. Okay, you have two notches that you need to squish towards each other, and when you do that, you can flip the fuse box to this side. Okay, perfect, like that. And actually needs to be this way. And if you pay attention, guys, okay, the numbers here correspond to the layout here what we have. So let's come a little bit under this angle. Okay, perfect. And let me show you which fuses, okay, we need to check now for the power steering pump. For the power steering, actually it's electronic power steering on some, and most newer models will be that way. So the first fuse that we need to check will be a 50 amp fuse. We're talking about that fuse right here. This is F3, guys. This is one of the fuses. Another fuse that you need to check will be another 50 amp fuse, and we're talking about that fuse here, the second fuse from left to right. Okay, so these two fuses are the one that you need to check for power steering. Then we have one more that's known as a power steering relay fuse, and this one, guys, okay, will be actually the third fuse from right to left in that row. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we're talking about that 10 amp fuse right here, the third fuse from right to left. So if your power steering pump does not work, guys, electric power steering, excuse me, on your Dodge Challenger, we'll be making specific videos why it doesn't work, how to replace power steering, how to fix power steering. All that will be on the channel. We have many mechanical videos. We'll be taking it completely apart. If you want to get help with something, we'll get an idea for a video, just drop a comment below, and if we have a chance, we'll try to make that video. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.